Hello and welcome back to another In-Depth Weather video. Today we are talking about the flooding rains that will be taking place over the central US throughout the day today. So, let's get started here with the new and improved excessive rainfall forecast from the Weather Prediction Center. So, in green here, we have our marginal risk, which is at least 5% chance of exceeding flash flood guidance within 25 miles of a point. This includes areas of Texas, Arkansas, Missouri, Tennessee, Kentucky, Indiana, Illinois, Kansas, Oklahoma, and then we have slight risk, which is at least 15% chance of exceeding flash flood guidance within 25 miles of a point. That includes parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, and Kansas. And then we have a moderate risk that includes at least 40% chance of exceeding flash flood guidance within 25 miles of a point. And that includes parts of Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. So let's go through the day and track these flooding rains. So right now we have our system here in the central part of the U.S., and that will be bringing up a lot of Gulf moisture. We start to see most of this moisture getting pulled up as I'm recording this, so before you're watching this. But we start to see a front here form right around, let's call that 11 p.m. Saturday Central Time, and as this front starts to move south, it gains a lot more moisture. Right around here we start to see those flooding rains begin. Now this is right around, let's call that 1 p.m. Eastern Time Sunday Central Time, and we can see here as these rains start to pick up, it really doesn't move. The front itself is not moving at all along this front. Very slow movement. And the peak here, it seems, is right in here, which is right around, let's call that 9 p.m. Central Time on Sunday. And these flooding rains continue throughout Monday as well before dissipating right around, let's call that noon on Monday Central Time. So even though there will still be thunderstorms from this line of thunderstorms, basically, the worst of the enhanced flood threat, which will be taking place across parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, will take place between now and noon on Monday. Now, that includes very high rain totals. So here in this yellow color is 4+ inches of rain. In this, let's call this reddish brown color here, which extends from Illinois down to Texas, this is 2 to 4 inches of rainfall, mostly concentrated in Missouri, Arkansas, and Oklahoma. In pink, this is 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, which covers much of the central U.S. In blue, that is a 1/2 inch to 1 inch, and less than blue, which is green or gray, is less than a 1/2 inch of rain. So the main area that we're looking at for flash flooding is right in here, which is what the Weather Prediction Center is showing as the prime target for flash flooding, which makes sense based on the time that this is going to be occurring as a very slow-moving cold front. We are going to be seeing heavy rains pouring down on much of these areas for sustained amounts of time, which could lead to river flooding, urban flooding, and flash flooding. But that is all the information that I have for today. If you found this video informative, consider leaving a like, subscribing, and hitting the bell. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.